In this multiple choice question, from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct algal option which is used as a effective nutritive supplements for human being. Space travelers carries chlorella most of the time. Why? Because it is not only rich in vitamins, minerals, it is also rich in carbohydrate, protein and lipid. That is why we are choosing chlorella as a correct option. Eulothorax, Spirogyra and Polysyphonia are not used as an effective algal supplement for human being. So we are ignoring option A, C and D and we are choosing option B as a correct answer. What are the points we told with this picture that we are giving as a narrative sentence to have a recap. Space travelers employ the high protein unicellular algae chlorella and spirulina as a meal supplement. With this specification, we choose an option B as a correct answer to secure 4 mark.